Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are on a special issue of Jan Ki Baat, and I'm fortunate to have with me my friend and who's also an inspiration, Keshav, who runs an education media organization which is called as DIAS.
Yeah.
And Keshav, my first question to you is that you were into this education space and entrepreneurship space. So how do you see this conference which we are attending together, Dicky, playing a role with respect to Dalit entrepreneurship?
It's a great opportunity. It's very encouraging for a lot of people here because we saw plenty of big deals, especially in the heavy industry sector, being signed here. So that way, it's very promising for a lot of upcoming entrepreneurs. Plus, the assurances they got from the ministers. I thought that I've been sitting and taking a lot of notes of what they're saying. It's a very liberal atmosphere. Coming from a startup background myself, I feel a lot comfortable that I know the ease of doing business is sort of only increasing with time.
Correct. And you, as we both were sitting there and listening to so many success stories, and as a young entrepreneur, did you get really motivated through certain personal anecdotes? Anything you want to share here?
Yeah, absolutely. There was this one entrepreneur I remember. I think his father was not from a very privileged baggground, and then he went on to
The leather guy you're talking about?
Yeah, the leather guy.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so like he has a multi-million-dollar organization, and we come from a social background which is much more favorable than them, and we are much more educated. So that's kind of inspiring as to we should value what we have.
And you do a lot of these initiatives in various schools through MUNs and through other public advocacy stuff. So, do you find Dalit students there picking up, or is there proportion profile of class you find Dalit students, or what is your personal experience in this part?
See, very honestly, I try to not look at their social backgrounds particularly, but while we do move to places like Bihar, UP, and interiors to schools like that, definitely there are people, and the good thing is that they value these opportunities. They have aspirations to do really well.
And I believe people like us, people like you who are doing a great job, we should provide them with more space and opportunities where their talent can come on the first corner of economic opportunities. And as the Prime Minister said,
Definitely. I think it's a great opportunity for them, and people like us who do have these sort of opportunities, we should get them on these platforms.
Absolutely.
And I think that's why this conference is a great conference.
Great. So that was, ladies and gentlemen, my friend and the founder of DIAS, Keshav, joining us. We are at Dicky. We are tracking Dalit entrepreneurship, and I had with me the young entrepreneur who will be a future. I hope he becomes very good, and I have full faith in him that he'll do great. Thank you so much,
Thank
Keshav.
You, Pradeep.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was Jan Ki Baat. It was certain personal, but yes, it is also professional. Thank you, sir.
Okay.